To another ESS video on this channel. Today we will be looking at sustainability. This is the second lesson of Topic 1 Foundation, designed for ESS, SL, and HL students. So the definition of sustainability is meeting the needs of the present without compromising future generations. Sustainability can be split up into three sections, which is environmental, social, and economic sustainability. All three types must be achieved or interlinked to have actual and realized sustainability, as shown in this Venn diagram to the right. Each of the three different sustainabilities can be measured or shown in many different ways, most commonly through models, which we will now look at. The first sustainability model is the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These were developed in 2015, and they are mostly a set of environmental and social objectives set to be reached by 2030. Overall, there are 17 goals. These include a universal framework that address global challenges while also promoting sustainable development and environmental justice. An advantage of the SDGs is that it can be applied anywhere in the world, not just in richer and more environmentally aware countries. However, some people argue that the goals are not ambitious enough as they fail to target serious core issues. You guys do not need to know all 17 of these goals. 1 and 2 in exam is enough to get the mark. Our second sustainability model is a donut economics model. This model focuses on sustainability that meets human needs while balancing Earth's ecological limits. The inner rings are the social foundations of human needs, which is food, water, healthcare, and such. The outer rings include the limits of the planet that us humans cannot overshoot, including climate change, biodiversity, pollution, and so on. The space between these two rings is called the safe and just space. This is the space where humanity can thrive without compromising sustainability, and this is where we all want to be. An advantage of this model is that it's easy to understand and takes little time to implement. However, while the model identifies the issues the planet faces, it doesn't really give ideas or solutions as to how we can counter them. The third sustainability model is the planetary boundaries model. This model shows the 9 crucial processes that regulate the stability of Earth during the Holocene epoch. The Holocene epoch is the time period of Earth ever since the last ice age, basically. This model identifies human disturbance to these processes and systems and the extent to which the limits have been imposed by humans. The different colors equate to different risks. The darker the color, the more the limits have been pushed and the more action that needs to be taken. For example, here you have boundaries that are in green, which means they are safe, we have not pushed them too much. Then we have orange, which means they're going to a limit, and red means there might be no going back and we need to take serious action to reverse these changes that we have done. These colors are still changing and getting worse in the present, and they will continue to do so in the future. An advantage of the planetary boundaries model is that it uses statistics and science to measure the extent to which the boundaries have been pushed, which makes it extremely accurate. However, the model focuses only on achieving environmental sustainability and ignores social and economic factors that might be in play. The fourth sustainability model is the circular economy model. This one focuses more on economic sustainability rather than environmental or social. This is a model of production and consumption. It aims to minimize waste and to maximize the lifespan of resources. This is mostly done through sharing, leasing, reusing, recycling, and repairing existing products, instead of discarding them or making new ones, which causes more waste and pollution. This is in stark contrast to a traditional linear economy, which is known for its take, make, and dispose, which is extremely unsustainable. This circular economy model creates jobs, it reduces waste, it achieves environmental and economic sustainability. It is a very useful model for economies. However, it's really time consuming, and the shift from a linear economy to a circular economy is time inducing and expensive, which discourages a lot of governments to do so. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a good day.